Bonjour, welcome to French Diaries. The topic for today's session is months, which we call les mois in French. Les mois. Let's start. French months are almost same like English with some minor changes in spellings, but in pronunciation they are quite different. So let's discuss. First one is janvier. Janvier. Janvier is for January. Février. Février. There's the accent on it, right? So it makes it février. Février. February. Mars. 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 March. Avril. 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 April. May. Almost same like English. May. Juin. 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 June. Juillet. This is juillet. No L sound. Juillet. Août. This is août. For your convenience, I have written the pronunciation in English, Hindi and English mix, right? You can check that also. Août. Septembre. 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 Octobre. 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 October. Novembre. 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 November. Décembre. This décembre accent is there. Décembre. Décembre. Let's have a recap. Janvier. You can repeat after me. Janvier. Janvier. Février. Février. Mars. Mars. Avril. Avril. Mai. Mai. Juin. Juin. Juillet. Juillet. Août. Août. Septembre. Septembre. Octobre. Octobre. Novembre. Novembre. And décembre. Décembre. Right? Okay. Let's discuss the months with the help of examples. First one is match the following. We need to match this with this. First one is janvier. Janvier means January, right? So this is matching with this, right? Décembre. Décembre. Décembre means December. This is quite simple exercise, but this is for the practice purpose only. Avril. What is avril? Is April. Août. Août. What is août? August. Right? Second, fill in the blanks. My birthday is in. The answer will vary person to person. For example, for me, it's April. So I will write April, or in French, avril here. Right? You can mention your month here. Christmas is in December. In French, we call it décembre, right? This is décembre. Independence Day is celebrated in, it also varies countries to country, but in India, we are celebrating it in August. So it will be août. The answer will be août. Correct? Next example, translate into English. Now we need to translate these months into English. First one, juillet. What is juillet? July. Right? Novembre. Novembre. What is Novembre? November. Right? Février. Février. Février means February. Correct? Juin. Juin. Juin means June. So it will be June. Now opposite. Now we need to translate this into French. What is October? Octobre. Octobre. What is September? September? Septembre. Septembre. What is March? March? Mars. Mars. What is May? May is also May, but the spelling will be M-A-I. I hope it's clear. There are few important notes to be made here. First one is capitalization. Capitalization means we can write months in French in lowercase or in small letters, like days also. But in English, we cannot write it in lower cases. Correct? Second one is gender. The gender of all the months in French are masculine. Correct? The gender of all the months in French are masculine. I hope months are clear now. If you like this video, please like and subscribe French Diaries. Thanks for watching. Au revoir.